First down, Material Ruler. Pass to begin. Down on the inside, Good Humor. Moving up in the middle is Sun and Wind. Next on 9 comes Venus Diganes. Time Deposit. And Virgin Hill passing before the judge stand. Sun and Wind is down on the inside. And on the outside is Material Ruler. 2.5 lines going third. Venus Diganes. Down on the inside, Good Humor. Time Deposit. And Virgin Hill still running last as they swing down the back. Sun and Wind by about 2 lengths. Material Ruler still in second. Venus Diganes a very close third. Down the inside, Good Humor moving up on the outside. Time Deposit and Virgin Hill still running last. Approaching the quarter, Material Ruler takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length. Sun and Wind rush back in second. Coming closer now in third is Venus Diganes. Time Deposit in fourth. Down the inside, Good Humor and Virgin Hill. And it's still Material Ruler by about 3 lengths. Venus Diganes remains in second. Moving up on the outside, Time Deposit, Sun and Wind, Good Humor as they come down at the last 200. Is still in control. That's Material Ruler. And on the outside, Venus Diganes. Virgin Hill moving about on the outside. Last 75 meters, Material Ruler. And on the outside, Venus Diganes. But it's still Material Ruler. Venus Diganes, Virgin Hill, Time Deposit, Good Humor, and Sun and Wind.
6, 5, 4, 3. Yan ang umpisa na datingan dito.